In your previous class, you have learnt briefly how Windows 10 manages files and folders with the help of the File Explorer window. Let's learn more about working with files and folders and other amazing features of this operating system. Working with files or folders. Files are single documents created with the help of any software. They are usually represented by an icon. Windows uses folders to help you organize files. You can put the files inside a folder just like you would put your documents inside a real folder. Cool fact: File Explorer was called Windows Explorer in Windows 7 and earlier versions. Chapter 2. More about Windows 10. In your previous class, you have learnt briefly how Windows 10 manages files and folders with the help of the File Explorer window. Let's learn more about working with files and folders and other amazing features of this operating system. Working with files or folders. Files are single documents created with the help of any software. They are usually represented by an icon. Windows uses folders to help you organize files. You can put the files inside a folder just like you would put your documents inside a real folder. Cool fact: File Explorer was called Windows Explorer in Windows 7 and earlier versions. File Explorer. You can view and organize files and folders using a built-in application known as File Explorer. To open File Explorer, click the File Explorer icon on the taskbar or double-click any folder on your desktop. The File Explorer window will appear. As you can see from the above figure, the File Explorer window contains various components. They have been explained below. Navigation pane. Within File Explorer in Windows 10, the navigation pane is used to select folders and drives and navigate through the folders and files on your computer. You can expand or collapse the areas shown within the navigation pane, which include Downloads, Recent Places, Home Group, This PC, and Network. Navigation buttons. You can use the back, forward, and up buttons to navigate within different screens that you browse within File Explorer in Windows 10. You can click the back button to return to the last page viewed, the forward button to move forward again after pressing the back button, and the up button to move up a level within the folder hierarchy shown within the File Explorer. Ribbon. The various tabs present within the ribbon are shown at the top of File Explorer in Windows 10. You will find all your file and folder management commands within this area. When you select an item within the files and folders, the commands related to the selected item will be shown on the tabs that comprise the ribbon. You can click on these tabs to see the functions available within each group. Address bar. The address bar shows the currently selected location within your computer or the network. You can also click in the address bar and enter a folder location if desired. The files and folders listing shows the contents of the address bar location that is currently selected. Column name. At the top of each column, you will see a column name that displays the type of information shown in that column. If you are viewing the details view of a folder location shown within the address bar, then the details of the files and folders will be shown within the columns. Search box. You can use the search box to search for a specific file or folder within a selected folder location. Simply type the name of the file or folder or the first few letters in the name of the file or folder in the search box. Searching begins immediately as you begin typing. Keyboard magic. You can perform the following tasks by using the keyboard. Window plus D, show or hide desktop. Window plus Tab, switches between apps and the desktop. Alt plus Tab, switches between all apps, including the desktop apps, files and folder. Let us now learn about some operations of Windows 10 related to files and folders. Moving a file or folder. To change the location of a file from one location to another, the Move To command is used. It cuts the desired file or folder from the existing location and pastes it to the new location. To move a file or folder, follow these steps. Open the drive or folder containing the file or folder you want to move. Select the file or folder that you want to move. Click the Move To button present in the Organize group of the Home tab. A drop-down menu appears showing the locations where you can move the file or folder. Click the location where you want to move your file or folder. If the location is not visible in the list, select the Choose Location option and then choose the location. Click the Move button. The file or folder moves to the desired location. Copying a file or folder. To copy a file or folder from one location to another, the Copy To command is used. Using leaves the file or folder in its original location and places its copy on the selected location. To copy a file or folder, follow these steps. Open the drive or folder containing the file or folder you want to copy. Select the file or folder. Click the Copy To button present in the Organize group of the Home tab. A drop-down menu appears showing the locations where you can copy your file or folder. Click the location where you want to copy your file or folder and then click the Copy button. The file or folder gets copied to the desired location. Deleting a file or folder. While organizing the contents of a folder, you might find files and folders that you no longer need. You can delete these items. To delete files or folders, the Delete command is used. To delete a file or a folder, follow these steps. Open the drive or folder containing the file or folder you want to delete. Select the file or folder that you want to delete. Click the Delete button present in the Organize group of the Home tab. A drop-down menu appears showing two options, Recycle and Permanently Delete. Select one of the options as per your choice. The file or folder gets deleted. Renaming a file or a folder. To change the name of a file or folder, the Rename command is used. To rename a file or folder, follow these steps. Open the drive or folder containing the file or folder you want to rename. Select the file or folder that you want to rename. Click on the Rename button present in the Organize group of the Home tab. The name of the selected file or folder gets highlighted. Change the name of the file or folder and press Enter. The selected file or folder gets renamed. Viewing folder icons. When you work with files and folders, they are displayed as icons. Windows 10 comes with a feature that helps you to change the way these icons appear on the screen, making it more readable and user-friendly. There are 8 different folder view options available in Windows 10. These are extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, details, tiles, and content. To change the view, select the View tab. All these options are present under the Layout group. Let us discuss each view in detail. Extra Large Icons View. The Extra Large Icons view shows big icons that give you a good view of the graphics and video files. Large Icons View. The Large Icons view shows icons that are comparatively a little smaller than the Extra Large Icons view. However, it also gives a good view of the graphics and video files. Medium Icons View. The Medium Icons View gives a good idea of the file contents, but it might not be big enough to tell which is which among several similar graphics files. Small Icons View. The Small Icons View displays icons that are only representative of the contents, that is, Word document, PDF, graphics file, etc. It does not show a preview or thumbnail of the file's contents. List View. As the name indicates, all you can see in this view is a list of the folders and files, each with an identifying icon. Details View. In the Details View, File Explorer shows several columns of information like name, date modified, type, size, etc. Each column can be sorted by clicking the column heading to arrange each list in ascending or descending order. This is helpful when viewing many files at once, as they can be sorted by name, date, file type, or size. Tiles View. The Tiles View displays each file and folder along with information about their type and size. Content View. In the Content View, detailed information of each file and folder can be viewed, such as the date when it was last modified, size, author of the file, length for audio and video files, etc. This view is useful when you need to quickly browse through the documents and find information about the author or content of each item. Arrow Snap feature in Windows 10. Windows 10 includes several gesture features that can save you a lot of time. Foremost among them is Arrow Snap, a Windows 10 feature that has been inherited from Windows 8.1 and works great. On the desktop, Arrow Snap provides an easy way to place windows side by side by using a mouse. Steps to use Arrow Snap. Click the title bar of a window and drag it all the way to the left side of the screen. Repeat step 1, but drag a different window to the right side of the screen, as shown in the figure below.